Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar app by clicking on it and tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose Got It and click on the month above. Over here you need to pick a date and when you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on event over here and adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Then pick starting hour and ending one. If you want to disable this feature, you can do that by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Then click on does not repeat and pick one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. Then scroll down, add people, add videos, add location over here. You need to select while using the app or only this time. Type in an address and click on the correct one. Now change color, add attachments, take notes and even set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. In order to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. After that, you need to select Save. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!